Welcome to your quickest escape route from the chaos of daily life. Are you ready for a mini vacation that needs no packing or plane tickets? Today we're diving into the world of 5-minute meditation, a simple yet powerful tool that can transform your days from stress-filled to serene. So whether you're a seasoned Zen master or a curious novice, buckle up for a journey into the realm of calm. Stick around to transform your hectic life into a haven of calm. Before we dive into breathing like a Zen master, let's unpack what meditation really is. No, it's not just for monks in the mountains. Meditation is a practice that helps us cultivate awareness and mindfulness. It's like tuning an instrument, but the instrument here is our mind. Often, we find ourselves lost in a whirlpool of thoughts, worries, and to-do lists. Meditation helps us anchor ourselves in the present moment, providing a much-needed break for our overworked minds. You might have heard that meditation is about emptying the mind, but that's a common misconception. It's not about getting rid of thoughts, but rather learning to observe them without judgment. Think of it this way. Your mind is a sky, thoughts are clouds, and you're simply watching them pass by. You're not trying to clear the sky, but rather learning to be at peace, irrespective of the weather. So, meditation is for everyone, and not just for monks in the mountains. Why should you meditate? Well, let's dive into the sea of benefits that meditation offers. Imagine having a magic button that could transform a day filled with tension and high stress levels into a peaceful haven of calm and focus. That's what meditation can do for you. Meditation is like a mini vacation for your mind, offering you a break from the endless stream of thoughts that often crowd our minds. It helps to reduce stress, not by eliminating the problems in our lives, but by changing our relationship with them. It helps us respond to stress with a calm, non-reactive attitude, thereby reducing its harmful effects on our body and mind. Beyond stress reduction, meditation can also improve your focus and attention. In our digital age, where distractions are just a click away, maintaining focus can be a real challenge. Meditation, by training your mind to concentrate on one thing at a time, can help you boost your attention span. Meditation can also boost your emotional well-being. It can cultivate positive feelings like empathy and kindness and reduce negative emotions like fear and anger. It can help you develop a more balanced and positive outlook on life. And the best part? You don't need any special equipment or a lot of time. Just a few minutes of meditation can provide benefits. And sometimes, meditation can make you feel like you've had a 2-hour nap in just 5 minutes. Let's start simple. Focus on your breath. It's something we do every second of every day. But how often do we really pay attention to it? The breath focus technique is all about tuning into this vital life process, and it's as straightforward as it sounds. Begin by finding a comfortable position. You might choose to sit, stand, or lie down, whatever feels good for you. Close your eyes if you'd like, or keep them half open, gazing softly ahead. Now, turn your attention inward to your breathing. Notice the sensation of air entering and leaving your nostrils, the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen. Don't try to control or change your breath in any way. The aim is not to breathe deeply or slowly, but simply to breathe naturally and be aware of it. If your mind wanders, and it will, that's okay. Gently guide it back to your breath each time. Think of your breath as an anchor, keeping you grounded in the present moment. As you focus on each inhale and exhale, you may start to feel a sense of calm wash over you. This is your body's way of saying, "Hey, I'm here and I'm okay." And remember, there's no perfect way to do this. Some days your mind might be a chatty Cathy, and other days it might be as quiet as a library. Either way, you're doing great. It's like finding the remote control when the TV is stuck on a boring channel. You gain control over your mind. Next up, the body scan. This technique is your personal inventory of relaxation. It's like a mental massage, sweeping through every nook and cranny of your body, releasing tension as it goes. So let's get started. First, find a comfortable position. You can sit, lie down, stand on your head, whatever works for you. Close your eyes if that feels right. Now, imagine a warm, relaxing wave washing over you, starting from the top of your head, slowly moving down to your toes. As this wave travels, it's your job to notice how each part of your body feels. Is there tension in your forehead? Let it melt away. Are your shoulders tight? Allow them to drop, to relax. Move through each part of your body, from your head to your toes. This isn't a race, so take your time. You might notice sensations you've never paid attention to before, like the feeling of your socks against your feet or the weight of your hands in your lap. That's okay. It's all part of the journey. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this. If your mind wanders, that's perfectly normal. Just guide it gently back to the body scan. The goal here is not to judge or change anything, but simply to observe, to check in with yourself. The body scan is a powerful tool in your meditation toolkit. It's not TSA approved, but it will help you check in with yourself from head to toe. Now, let's play I Spy with My Little Eye, but meditative style. This is what we call mindful observation. It's a technique that can help you regain your focus and find a moment of peace in any situation. Start by choosing an object in your vicinity. It can be anything: a cup of coffee, a picture on the wall, or a plant by the window. Once you've selected your object, it's time to really observe it. Look at its shape, its color, its texture. Notice the smallest details: the way the light bounces off it, the shadows it casts, the space it occupies in your room. Don't rush this process. Let your gaze rest on the object and absorb all its details. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring it back to the object of your observation. Remember, this isn't a test or a race. There's no right or wrong way to do it. The goal here is simply to be present in the moment and to engage fully with what's in front of you. And the best part? You can do this anywhere and at any time. Whether you're waiting for the bus or taking a break from work, mindful observation can be your little oasis of calm in the middle of a busy day. It could be anything, even that unpaid utility bill. Feeling adventurous? Combine the techniques. That's right, you don't have to limit yourself to just one. Think of it as creating a personalized meditation recipe. You can start with focusing on your breath, easing your mind into a state of calm. Once you're there, you can venture into a body scan, checking in with yourself from head to toe. Don't forget about mindful observation. You can incorporate this at any point during your meditation. It could be a sound you hear, the texture of your clothing, or even the taste of the minty toothpaste still lingering in your mouth from brushing your teeth. The possibilities are endless. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this. It's all about what works best for you. Experiment, mix, and match until you find your perfect blend of techniques. It's like a choose-your-own-adventure book, but for relaxation. You don't need a yoga mat or a silent retreat. Meditate anywhere, anytime. Picture this. You're waiting for your morning coffee to brew. Instead of scrolling through social media, close your eyes and focus on your breath. Or maybe you're stuck in traffic. Instead of honking at the car in front of you, take a deep breath slowly. Think about the moments in your day where you're simply waiting for the microwave to beep, for the water to boil, or for your computer to update. These are all perfect opportunities to meditate. And what about the places? Well, you'd be surprised. You could meditate on a park bench in your office or even at your desk. And if you're looking for a quick escape from a chaotic house, your bathtub may just become your new meditation sanctuary. Yes, even in your balcony for an escape or during those awkward elevator rides. Congratulations! You're now equipped to find your Zen in just 5 minutes. You've mastered breath focus, body scan, and mindful observation, powerful tools to invite calm into your life. Now, it's up to you to weave these practices into the fabric of your daily routine. And remember, your journey with us doesn't have to end here. Hit that subscribe button to unlock more insightful content and life hacks. Subscribe for more life hacks, and don't forget to breathe. Not like you have a choice, but still breathe mindfully.